August last year. I think it's too long. Tony, go ahead.
Yes, you have a good memory. Your memory is better than mine. Delta Juliet 4, Delta Whiskey. How are you doing? Papa Yankee 1, America X-ray. I'm looking to make a live with the Neymar station with Charlie. Okay, I tried to booking with Charlie the contact with Antarctica to the students. Okay, that's what I'm looking to do next point. Do you know something about the schools in Germany if they gonna do some live operation with Antarctica station Neymar? Do you know anything about that? Is there, Roger, please? Mike, Delta Juliet 4, Delta Whiskey, Papa Yankee 1, Alpha X. Go ahead. Perguntei ele se tem. Quero fazer uma live lá com a
Delta Golf 4, Delta Whiskey. Yeah, I remember. Yes, and I can good remember when I look in my logbook, Tony. Hi. I see a lot of contacts, and I remember in the last year, I think at midnight or so, a few hours after midnight, we have also a QSO when you call alone on the satellite transponder. Yes. When I look back, I must smile, Tony. You're 5'9", good signal here.
Vou perguntar ele como é que tá a Covid lá na Alemanha.
The locator is the same. And I'm okay, my family is okay, I'm very happy, and we have weekend now. Tony, go ahead.
Yes. We have now weekend, and very good weekend will be, okay? And Delta Golf, no problem, Delta Golf 4, Delta Whiskey. I'm asking you a question, if you know if any school in German booking for contact with Antarctica Neymar station, okay, Neymar station in Antarctica, if some schools in Germany is already booking, if you know about that, okay? Another question for you is about the COVID. Is too much COVID in Germany now? Is there, Roger? The COVID now in Brazil, it's something a little bit high, but it's not very dangerous. You know, you don't need to go to these machines. You know, it's more smooth. Okay, it's more quiet. Okay, but we have many cases, but it's very easy to do at home. It's like a flu. It's like a very strong flu. Okay. Mike, that's the question for you. How is the COVID in German? And tell me if you know about the contact school with the Antarctica contact with German base in Antarctica. Is that, Roger, if you know about that? Delta Golf 4, Delta Whiskey, Papa Yankee 1, America X-ray. Perguntei ele duas coisas. Você não entendeu? Ele não sabe. Tá acabando a bateria.
From Charlie, but Charlie makes the contacts between the schools and Antarctica station.
Esse é o satélite, tá? Aqui é o satélite, o transponder, aqui é o QO-100. Eu vou com o meu rádio. Eu opero com o meu rádio. Roger, no problem. Thank you very much for the information. Vou ter que terminar a live, galera. Okay, many thanks for the QSO. I have a technical problem here. I need to do something in the station now. Okay, but many thanks, Mike, to coming to my frequency. Okay, always a pleasure talking to you. If you come in again, please, if you see me again on the frequency, please give you a call. Will be a very good pleasure. Okay, bye from now 73. I need to fix something out here in the station. My keyboard going to the down to the floor. Okay, bye 73. See you again. Take care, my friend. Eu tenho que desligar a live, mas eu não sei como é que eu desligo. Foi mal aí, galera.